Sponsored by Squarespace. This is the world's largest Gundam factory. So we're here today in Yokohama and I'm super excited for this one. We are literally in the world's largest Gundam factory and I'm gonna give you a full tour of this entire place and take you around, kind of like a full experience. But before I start, if you guys always want to help support the channel, check out the Tokyo merch. If you want to see what I'm doing on the daily, check out my Instagram account. And if you have any questions about Japan or your Japan travels, then definitely check out the Discord community. Alright, let me take you on this Gundam excursion. So Gundam Factory Yokohama is located right on the water at Yokohama's Yamashita Pier. For the Gundam 40th anniversary, they created this facility with an 18-meter 1-to-1 life-size mobile Gundam, the RX-78-2 The original creator and director of Gundam, Yoshiyuki Tomino, was also very much involved in the creation of this site. Unfortunately, it's only open until March of 2022, but who knows, maybe enough likes and comments in this video will persuade them to keep it open even longer. So the Gundam Factory has two main areas, Gundam Dock and Gundam-Lab. Gundam-Lab has an academy, the Gundam Base, and Gundam Cafe. So I'm just in front of the Gundam factory, but before we go inside, I just wanted to let you know that I actually got my tickets online. So if you don't want to go to the ticket booth, you can buy your tickets online and you'll get a QR code to let you through. Alright, let's go in right now. Look at this, right when you come in, they give you your own Gundam. That's pretty awesome. And this is how it would look. Cool. Let's start with the main attraction, Gundam Dock. Alright, so now we're gonna go up to the Gundam Dock Tower. Can't wait for this to get so close to the Gundam. So Gundam Dock allows visitors to view the giant mobile Gundam up close. You'll need to purchase another ticket, which costs 3,300 yen to get inside, so make sure to throw down on that as well. So we just made it to the 5th floor of the Gundam Dock Tower. What's happening right now is that people are in line and then you rotate through and you're able to get your picture. Afterwards we'll be going to the 6th floor as well. So he's actually starting to move right now. Let's see what happens.
Gundam!
So we just made it all the way to the top on the 6th floor. We are so close, we're about 10 to 15 meters away. I almost feel like I can touch them. It's pretty awesome. So one of the things that you should be careful of is that when you actually come here on the dock, you have to make sure that you're ready to take your pictures because you have about 2 minutes and then they rotate to the next person. So when you come here, be ready, have your camera out, and be ready to go. You might have seen the life-size RX-78-2 Gundam or RX-0 Unicorn Gundam in front of Odaiba DiverCity Tokyo or in my Odaiba video, but those two didn't have the shimmy and shake that this one has. The RX-78-2 has so much drip, it holds 2 Guinness World Records, largest mobile humanoid robot and largest mobile Gundam. Before I continue on, I wanted to give a quick shout out to our sponsor for this video, Squarespace. If you guys don't already know, Squarespace is the #1 place to build your online presence. In fact, I use Squarespace for Tokyo Zebra. Here are some of the reasons why I love Squarespace so much. Whether you're starting your passion project or building a business, Squarespace has all the tools to get it done while also looking ultra sleek and professional at the same time. They support numerous portfolios and gallery designs which you can customize and even password protect so the right people see your work. Use its fully integrated blogging tools and commenting features such as threaded comments, replies, and likes to help engage your community. And my favorite, built-in analytics to see how your visits, unique visitors, and page views trend over time. So go to Squarespace squarespace.com today for your free trial, and when you're ready to check out, go to squarespace.com/Paolo from Tokyo and get 10% off your first domain or website. Alright, let's move on and show you some more of this place. So they have a Gundam lab here where you can try things out and see how the Gundam was built. Let me show you inside. Let's go right now. The Gundam Academy is on the first floor of Gundam Lab. Here, you can learn all about the development process of the mobile Gundam suit, the design, and its construction. I'm trying out a simulation right now. This is pretty awesome. I'm walking to the top of the Gundam right now. So just behind me, they have Gundam Factory limited items that you can get at the shop. Let me show you and take you inside. Oh look, they even have the Gundam Dock here. So all of the RX-78-2 merchandise is to be exclusively released at the Gundam Factory Yokohama, meaning you can only get it here in Japan, or unless maybe you have a friend on the internet. The shop also limits purchases to 5 Gunpla per person, so if you're looking to buy more than that, you might want to bring a friend to score some more merch. So here's a skinny on the Yokohama exclusives. Oh wow, luminous crystal Gundams, clear Gundams, even Ekopura. The shop also has things like clothing, souvenir pens, snacks, and offers delivery anywhere in Japan. Oh hello, Haro. Bam! Oh yeah, don't forget to check out the Gundam themed bathroom too. So just on the second floor, they also have a Gundam Cafe. Let me show you some of the food items. So you can find Gundam cafes throughout Japan, and each of them have special menu items. But what sets this place apart is that it overlooks the Gundam Dock with a beautiful ocean as its backdrop. If you want the best view, I recommend going outside and eating on the terrace. First, you've got to place your order on the tablet and then take the ticket to the register where you pay. Wow, look at this. So this is Gundam's Cafe signature cafe art. You can choose from 5 different designs that you could only get here. So now I'm in the Gundam Cafe. I got Haro Anman, this little steamed pink little guy. So cute. Oh, open that up like so, right there. Oh, you can smell it. Take a bite. Wow, that's really sweet, as expected. Nice hot steam bun. The beans are okay. It's a little bit on like the thicker texture side, but actually not bad at all. You can get snacks here, but you can also get all sorts of food. You can get a set plate with like, you know, hamburgers, hot dogs. It's just kind of like your very average kind of theme park type foods, which is, I guess it's pretty okay. The prices are a bit on the higher side, but I mean, what do you expect from a theme park like this? And also I got a Gundam hot latte. Not bad. That's actually pretty good. Well, the cafe latte and the Anman was not enough, so got a burger. I went and got the cheeseburger here at the Gundam Factory. It's specially made, apparently. Look at that. It says Gundam Cafe Yokohama Satellite. I get so hungry on these shoots. I have to eat a little bit more. Wow. Let me just take a bite of this. The sauce is really sweet. Not bad. I always like burgers. It's not the top 5 in Tokyo like I just did a video on. It does have some onions, it has cheese, has some pickles in here as well. I think it's almost like Thousand Island sauce. I think the thing I love the most about this hamburger is that there's just so much meat. Look how thick that is. That is a thick burger. So if you're looking to, you know, fill up, this is what you should have. Alright, so that concludes the full tour of the Gundam Factory. Hope you like it. If you did, help me out and hit that like button. If you guys want to see more Japan videos, anything related to Japan, hit that subscribe button and the bell button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.